Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. We've got an update for you. A new flash flood warning has been issued for portions of the Fox 56 viewing area. As we can see that there is this big green box here that is including portions of Woodford County, a lot of the Anderson County there as well. Until 8:45 p.m. this flash flood warning is in place, and it's a bit of a preemptive warning because we've already seen radar estimates of over an inch to maybe even 2 inches of rain within that box, and there's another cell that's going to be working through there. So while there's already been heavy rain, more is expected as we go into tonight. It does edge right against Fayette and northern Jessamine counties, but it is mostly for Woodford, Anderson, and Franklin counties here this evening. It also includes very far northern portions of Mercer County tonight. We will have more opportunities for this. We've had some of our warnings already drop, but scattered showers and thunderstorms are still ongoing for us here. If we flip radar over to the Jackson scene, you can see a bunch in Madison County, some towards Mount Sterling right now, and some that are going to try to get into Breathitt County here in just a few minutes. A little further to the south, a couple of isolated cells, but mostly quiet for us along our Cumberland and Hal Rogers Parkways here this evening. As we move forward with this, there is a flood watch that is in place for us tonight. Also a chance for a couple of these storms to turn strong to severe with gusty winds, but this is our bigger story in the weather department. This watch is until midnight. Expect that to get extended into tomorrow with more chances for storms to come through and give us the opportunity for more flooding concerns. But right now, the main one is going to be along that I-64 corridor and then through central Kentucky where these storms have developed so far. As we go and we look at the flood outlook, we were in a what we call a level 2 out of 4 risk for that flash flooding. So it's happening. We're seeing a similar outlook like this tomorrow that we'll have to keep an eye on as well. As we go through it, you'll see that there's been an upgrade to south and central and eastern Kentucky, level 2 now for them, while the rest of us sit in that level 1. Heavy rainfall from more scattered storms on the ticket for us as we get into it. Our setup is looking something like this. A cold front draped across a major chunk of the region. It's ever so slowly moving. It's more of a west to east movement rather than a north to south movement. And what that means is that storms are riding more west to east and they're training over the same spots. That is going to sit and stall out and sort of hang around Kentucky the next couple of days. And that is going to leave us with what we have, more of those scattered storms. Futurecast really likes to get going here for us with more development through 9-10 o'clock. Heavy pockets of rain down in south and eastern Kentucky. You finally get in on it as we get into later parts of tonight. And then as we head into the overnight and those storms start to fizzle a bit, drying out some into tomorrow morning, but more development possible in our early morning hours across the northern half of the viewing area for us into our early Friday. If we go a little bit further than that, same kind of model, but it extends a little bit better. This is what it thinks is happening at 10 o'clock. And then we go into our portions of tomorrow into Thursday, and we continue that threat for us here with the next big thing showing exactly that. Looking at our rainfall forecast, there is quite a bit of rain coming our way. We're looking at some areas have already received this. This is a widespread idea with isolated totals in addition to that exceeding 3 to maybe even 4 inches overall. It's going to be a busy next couple of days. The areas that get hit the hardest, of course, are going to have to deal with that threat. Our 7-day forecast to show you what we've got going on here is mid 80s to upper 80s, still hot, still humid. We're going to try to relax the storm chances into next week.